In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of OneDrive. Whether you're looking to switch accounts or simply want to make sure you're securely logged out, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. To begin, let's focus on your taskbar, which is typically found at the bottom of your screen. You should see a cloud icon, which represents OneDrive. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will open up a menu with various options and is your first gateway into managing your OneDrive settings. Next, direct your attention to the gear icon within this menu. The gear icon is universally recognized as a symbol for settings or options, so it makes perfect sense that this is what we're going to click on. It's your entry point to access all the settings you might need to adjust during your time using OneDrive. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings. By clicking on this option, you're granted a bit more control over your OneDrive account options and configurations. This is essential for what we need to do next. Now that you're in the settings menu, navigate over to the account tab. The account tab is where you'll find all account related options. If you're managing multiple OneDrive accounts or need to change specific account settings, this is the tab that encompasses all those vital controls. It's where we're going to focus for the next step. Within the account tab, you'll encounter an option that says unlink this PC. Don't worry if this sounds a bit drastic. Unlinking your PC doesn't mean all your files will disappear. It simply means that this particular PC won't be associated with that OneDrive account anymore. Go ahead and click unlink this PC. This action is what will effectively sign you out of OneDrive on the current device. After selecting unlink this PC, you'll notice that OneDrive is no longer connected to this PC. You've successfully logged out. Keep in mind this action only affects your current device, and you can always log back in whenever you need. It's a straightforward yet effective way to ensure your data is securely managed or to switch between different accounts, and just like that, you've logged out of OneDrive. Whether that's for security, troubleshooting, or adjustments, these steps will guide you through logging out with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a great day managing your OneDrive settings.